Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? I think you are feeling under the weather. Am I
Yeah,
right?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. You are absolutely right. I'm feeling some cold and cough yesterday.
Because of the rain, I guess, right? I was also feeling
Yeah,
under
yeah,
the weather yesterday. Yeah.
yeah. Because, ma'am, I did a wrong thing because yesterday I went to visit a temple and I took a very chilled shake. That's why I'm
Oh.
suffering from the cold. Yeah.
It happens. It happens sometimes. And yeah, I was also facing the same problem yesterday, but now I'm feeling pretty good. Okay, so I'm really curious to know, first of all, about your practices, like about your reading or speaking or listening practice. Like I suggested you to do every practice for 15 minutes. So are you doing that?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm doing my listening practice. But I I don't doing more reading because when I whenever I have time, then I read, ma'am.
Okay. So don't use I don't doing reading. No, you can use I am not doing. I am not am ing. Okay. I am not
Okay.
doing reading or I don't do. Don't use don't doing. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
whenever you get free time, spare time, only then you read. Otherwise, the speaking practice and listening practice is there.
Listening. Yeah,
Reading is there.
yeah, sometimes I do I do writing practice while speaking. Whatever I want to speak to myself, I firstly I write and then I speak.
Okay, so whatever thoughts comes in your mind, whatever thoughts come in your mind, you try to write
Yeah,
in your diary first. That's great.
yeah, y-
That will give you the clarity. Like in
yeah,
your,
ma'am.
thinking process will also improve like this. You can.
Yeah,
Okay, that's it. So today in this video, we are going to revise all those words and idioms that you learned from my videos and shorts already. Okay, those
yeah,
words and
ma'am.
idioms we are going to revise. So first idiom is this. Can you say it?
Fit, yeah, fit as a fiddle.
Yeah, fit as a fiddle. So I would like to know, are you fit as a fiddle?
Yeah, ma'am, absolutely. I'm fit as a fiddle.
Okay.
Yeah,
So can
and
you just tell me the meaning first for the learners, for the viewers, what is the meaning of
yeah,
fit as a fiddle?
uh, in a very good health.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes. Very good
and
health.
yeah, for instance, my father at 65, but still he is fit as fiddle.
Fit as a fiddle.
Fit as a fiddle. Okay, ma'am, I
Yes,
missed
yes.
A.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And can you just suggest anything that what someone needs to do to be fit as a fiddle?
So, ma'am, I would like to suggest for everyone. I think we should take plenty of water and do exercise daily, only 10 to 15 minutes. So, I think
Yeah.
everyone would be fit as a fiddle.
Yes, great. Absolutely. Now, the second is replace this happy word with other synonyms.
Yeah, it is very favorite to me. Happy. Another meaning is thrilled. I'm thrilled.
Thrilled.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Mhm.
So I'm very thrilled. I'm very thrilled to know. Now these days I'm practicing with my English journey and I'm thriving.
That's great that you use the word thrive also. So, thrilled is one. Any other that you are getting right now, which we can use instead
Happy.
of happy?
Yeah, thrilled, happy, and glad. Yeah, glad,
Glad. Yes,
glad.
glad.
Yeah,
Delighted.
delighted. Yeah, obvious. Yeah,
Delighted. Yes.
delighted.
And
Yeah,
elated. Elated. Elated.
Yes, ma'am. I read this meaning, but
Mhm.
I don't know. I didn't know about the meaning. Elated.
Uh,
Okay, elated.
Elated, delighted, glad, thrilled. Okay.
Delight.
Now the
Yeah.
word is this. Can you say it?
Guilty. Guilty.
Guilty. So guilty has two different meanings.
Two.
We use
Yeah,
in
ma'am.
two different way. So can you
Yeah.
just tell me first the two meanings of guilty?
Ma'am, first is if a person accused a crime.
Yes.
It
Mm-hmm.
this is legal. This is legally illegal or wrong. You can say.
Mm-hmm.
And
When someone
other one,
committed a crime. Okay, yeah.
yeah. And other one, guilty means bad feeling. If you feel bad for something, if you hurt to someone, so you can use guilty.
Yeah, we use for feeling like when there is an
Yeah, bad feeling.
unpleasant feeling of
Yeah,
doing something
unpleasant
wrong.
feeling. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now the opposite word of guilty. Can you just tell me the opposite word of guilty?
Ma'am, innocent.
Yes.
Yeah,
Innocent.
innocent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we can use innocent also in both the context, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So would you
Innocent.
like to? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, innocent mean someone has a cute face, or someone has very in Hindi we can say like masoom, like.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
We.
innocent, yeah, opposite, it is also opposite from of the guilty. So we can use a person who cannot do anything wrong.
Mm-hmm. Who hasn't done anything wrong,
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
hasn't
Hasn't
committed
done.
a
Yeah.
crime or kind of. Okay. So would you like to make a sentence using innocent word?
Uh, innocent, like ma'am, like a cute, or like a I met a baby. He has a innocent face, and his voice is also very cute. So yeah, he is very innocent. He was very innocent.
Okay. Yeah. Great. Great. Now the next idiom is this: hold one's horses.
Yeah, ma'am. Hold one's horses means wait a moment, stop.
Oh, yeah. Wait a moment or slow down. When someone is going to
Okay,
do something in very hurry or something like that, that you
okay,
wanna,
okay.
tell them, okay, slow down or wait a moment, then you can use hold your horses.
Yeah, yeah. So I said to my son, gentlemen, please hold your horses, because we didn't reach at home, so don't start eating in the car.
Oh, yes, yes, great, great. Now the next word is atrocious.
Atrocious. No, ma'am. I
Okay,
never ever heard about this meaning atrocious.
atrocious is the meaning is unpleasant or something bad.
Okay.
We can
So
use for unpleasant thing. Like that
okay,
was
ma'am.
when you trying to mimic or trying to copy a native speaker, then you can say, oh, it was really an atrocious attempt because I was very bad at that accent, so it was atrocious. It was an atrocious attempt because it was a bad experience, or you can say that was unpleasant, so you can use atrocious.
Yeah,
Okay.
when I think when we are not getting any single word, so we can use atrocious.
No, when there is an unpleasant feeling or an bad
Okay,
experience of something, then you can use it was really an atrocious one.
okay, okay.
Yeah,
Unpleasant feeling. Okay.
yeah. Now, next is this.
Beat the clock. Yeah,
Yes,
I
beat
know.
the clock. Mhm.
Yeah, beat the clock means if you finish your work before given time.
Yeah, within particular deadline or within particular time. It means
Okay.
beat the clock. Yes. So would you like to make a sentence using beat the clock?
Ma'am,
You can
I'm
use,
not.
especially it is used for, in a companies, at a workplace, like employers need to beat the clock because the deadline is around the corner. If the deadline is around the corner, we have to beat the clock, or we have to grab this deal. So for that, we have to beat the clock. We have to complete the task within a given period of time, so we can grab this deal, right?
Okay, okay,
Yes, like this.
okay.
Okay. Now
Yeah,
the
we
word
have to
is
complete. Yeah. Okay.
yes.
Okay, ma'am, please go ahead. Okay. Yeah, ma'am. Thrive. Okay. Yeah, ma'am. I
What
know.
are the
I'm very
steps that you
familiar.
are taking to thrive in life? What are the steps that you are taking to thrive in life?
Ma'am. I'm making myself
Mhm.
discipline,
Great.
and yeah, and
Mhm.
I am I am I am consistent. I'm consistent with my practice, or you can do. You can say I am consistent with my all works, all chores, and yeah, and I'm thriving. Uh, uh,
You can say
uh,
I am nowadays I am inculcating or incorporating new habits in my, so I can be consistent with this journey, and I am trying to acquire some new skills. As I can say, like I am trying to get a great command over communication skills. So nowadays I'm working on that so I can thrive in life. Okay?
okay, I can thrive in life. Okay.
Yeah. So next is this: eat like a horse.
Eat like a horse
Yes.
means you eat more.
Yes. To eat a lot of food.
Go.
To eat a lot of food.
Okay, you eat a lot.
Yes. A lot. When you are eating a lot of food, it, at that time you can use he eats like a horse. When someone is eating like a horse, when someone is eating a lot, you can use for that person. He eats like a horse. So there is an opposite idiom also.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, tell me that.
Because, yeah, I heard about eat like a bird.
Yes, eat like a bird. I have, shared with many learners, but I haven't shared this one, eat like a horse. So eat like horse is just opposite to eat like a bird. Eat like
Yeah.
bird means when someone is eating very little or less, and eat like a horse when someone is eating a lot of food. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, for instance, ma'am, I saw so many food bloggers on YouTube or some
Uh-huh.
social media. They eat like a horse.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what what how can they do these kind of things. And they take so many food in their plates, and they have eat like a horse.
Okay, great. And what about you? How do you eat like a bird or like a horse?
Ma'am, I'm very uh, I want to say I'm eat like a bird, because I'm not foodie, and yeah, so sometimes it's not okay for me, but yeah, I would like to say I am a eat like a bird.
So don't use I am eat like a bird. Simply say I eat like a bird.
I eat like a bird. Okay.
Yes, don't use am because when we use am, we use ing form. It comes under continuous tense, like I am eating like a bird, or I am plus ing we use. Okay, so simply say I eat like a bird. Okay,
Okay, okay.
now the next idiom is this: rise and
Right.
shine, which is my favorite one.
Yeah, yeah. I listened, ma'am. Rise and shine means get ready for your day.
Mhm. Get up and start your day.
Yeah, get up and start your day. Yeah.
Yes. Would you like to make a sentence using that? Rise and shine.
Yeah, ma'am, please give me a second. Yes,
Mhm.
because my son disturbing me. please
Son
on the
is
hottest spot.
disturbing me. Is.
My son is disturbing me. Please, yeah, uh, he wants to on the hottest spot in my mobile phone.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now it's okay, ma'am. Yeah, bird,
Rise and shine. Rise and
rise
shine.
and shine. Yeah,
Yes.
uh, I copy you, ma'am. I can copy you.
Yeah, yeah, you can.
Okay, ma'am. Rise and shine. Hey, honey, rise and shine. Your coffee is ready.
Oh, wow. You are just trying to sound like me. That's great. And I guess one more sentence was there. I gave two
Yeah,
examples, right?
yeah,
Uh,
yeah. Rise and shine. Uh, ma'am,
it's
I
7.
just forgot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 7 a.m. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I used to
I
say Vicky
remember.
Vicky, rise and shine. It's 7 a.m.
Yeah,
Vicky
I let
Vicky and honey and kind of
Vicky.
words. People
Yeah,
natives use those kind of words, honey and
yeah,
all that for kids,
yeah.
for their
Uh,
children.
yeah, I heard. Yeah, I heard. In and many animated movie or many kids
Uh,
movie, Hollywood movie. Their parents use these birds, honey, Vicky,
yeah,
Vicky.
yeah, yeah,
These kinds of
yeah.
birds.
Okay,
Yeah.
and the last but not the least, this bent over backward.
Uh, ma'am, I don't know exact meaning, but I very near to bent over means if you do your best in any work, hard work,
Yeah, yeah.
like hard work.
Make every effort to achieve something when you are putting your
Yeah.
100% and with concentration and you are trying to do right, then it is bent over
Ma'am, show me
backward.
again. Ma'am, show me
Show
again, ma'am. Bent over.
bent over
Yeah.
backward.
Bent. Ma'am, I listened in your previous videos, but I forgot about.
Yeah. So that's all for today's session, and we covered everything, I guess. And we will, do these kind of sessions on weekends, so you can, it will good for you and for the other learners also.
Yeah.
We can revise all the words and idioms in one session, right? In between, we will
Okay,
cover
ma'am.
two or three, but on the weekends, we will cover all the idioms and words and phrases.
Oh,
Okay?
yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
then. Have a great day and enjoy the weekend. Thank you so much for joining the
Same to
session.
you, ma'am. Same
Yeah,
to you,
and take good
ma'am.
care
You're
of
welcome,
yourself.
ma'am. Oh, yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
drink
You
more
too,
water.
ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
bye bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.